Hi, I'm Nora Bachman. I'm a pediatric physical therapist, and here are a few more tips and tricks with facilitating your child walking up the steps. So I talked about how you don't want them leaning backwards as they're trying to go up, and you don't want to continue helping them if they're doing any of the things that is not going to be successful when they try on their own. The reason why you don't want to help them while they're leaning backwards and why you don't want to help them like this is because you're going to teach them a bad habit that they won't be able to replicate on their own, and they definitely won't be able to do it safely. So when you're helping, sometimes the kiddo doesn't want to do it, or they're doing it in their own way, which is not supporting the technique that we're trying to use. In that case, don't keep moving forward with your facilitation. Pause, break it up, have some fun, do some bouncing, sing a song, let them just sit, but try not to let them continue that activity while using one of those techniques that's not going to be helpful. So let's say my kiddo is here, I've placed their foot up, but now they're leaning back. I'm not going to continue up because that's not what we want. Instead, when they're here and they're leaning back, I'm going to support them, keep them safe, but I want them to feel what happens when they lean back. And what happens? He falls. So I'm not going to necessarily let him fall. Sometimes I would, but generally I just want him to feel the result of his action. So when you lean back, you go backwards. No big deal. So those are just a couple additional tricks.